What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. It is that fateful day for Intelligence Prime Capital. It is the 17th of January, and we all knew this day would come, and we're excited about it now that we're here. And if you're not excited about it, I'm going to attempt to give you some reasons why you should be excited today about Intelligence Prime Capital and what it's doing. All right, before I get started, I want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. All right, I'm just a dude on YouTube that's showing y'all how I'm cranking out that crypto, and nothing more, nothing less. I know I'm in a bunch of platforms. This is one of the many, but this is one of the best ones that I have on the docket, and I'm so proud to be able to present it to you today. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well, all right? You get cool updates like this with information that I receive, all right? Anyway, this is free. It's information for everybody. So it is the 17th. We've talked about what that means, and what it really means is that things have changed as far as leadership ranks go, as well as some back office updates, as well as some income earning potential updates as well. So just a little bit about myself. I am a department manager, and some of you that have been watching, you saw that I kind of went from regional manager, which is my next rank. I was already there for a brief stint. I got to taste the spoils for a hot second, right? But of course, when things changed and it went over to the new system, then rankings changed. And now, to be able to promote to regional director, I have to have $100,000 in group sales to get there. Now, I've already got my personal sales down. I've got about $38,000 in personal sales. So shout out to everybody that's personally on the BOJ downline, wherever you are and whoever you are. And then people below them in the group sales, we got about $67,000 worth of group sales in the total team, and we're trying to get to 100,000. So I know that as leaders are continuing to be brought in, and people are continuing to test this system of Intelligence Prime, doing withdrawals and different things like that with success, these things are going to change, because increasing your trading account balance is what really starts to change the game for the bot that you have working for you. All right, and I can speak on that from personal experience, because I have $21,000 in my trading account right now. All right, so let me talk about just briefly what's going on in the back office that is new. Okay, now there has been so much talk about the Telegram group and different things of that nature that have not been the most positive thing. It has not been the easiest thing in the world to get in contact with the support team here in Intelligence Prime Capital. I can speak on that on personal experience, because I had an issue with 2FA, and it took a little while to get in contact with the right people. Some people were trying to scam you and pretend that they were Intelligence Prime Capital on Telegram just to get your account information and pray that you didn't have 2FA set up so that they can hack your account. But those of you that had 2FA set up like me, you avoided a lot of that stuff. But the thing about it was, they couldn't unlock my 2FA, and neither could I. So I had to get in contact with support so that I could get my 2FA fixed and unbinded. It took a little while, but we got it done. So I'm happy that we got it done. But here is how I believe Intelligence Prime Capital changes the game now. They have added an in-chat function. Live chat in the back office right here, name, email, put your issue in, what the deal is, and you can start the chat, and it'll get the ball rolling for your support questions. I think that is a total game changer for this platform, just coming from where I came in. Now, a lot of you are going to be coming in new, and this will be something that is standard for you. But for the last couple weeks, I wish I had a little chat box down there. Nothing really was drastically lost. So I won't say that going through what we all went through previously wasn't a good thing. But I think this is even better. I also personally believe that this new ranking system is better. Because what it makes people do now, and I've been talking about this, so if this part goes over your head, just go back and watch some previous videos about Intelligence Prime Capital that I've done and some other leaders have done. But I believe that this new ranking system makes you step your game up. You can no longer be a shareholder director and not have invested significant money into this platform to show belief. I mean, let's be real. In the platforms that we believe in, we really do try our best to support them because they're supporting us. A lot of you out there are reverse engineering this trading capital to set up income for yourselves. And that especially gets lucrative at $20,000 in, and you have to have at least $20,000 in to be at the highest level of the company. So that's why I decided to future-proof myself and just go ahead and put that 21K in. But like in this graphic shows, you know, all I needed to have in here to be a regional director is $5,000. So if any of you have aspirations of going into the next level, you have to have skin in the game. All right. So that brings me to my next point. What is the value in promoting? What is the value in building a team? What are some of the things that we can benefit from as we grow? And I want to take your attention to this global bonus section right here. I want you to notice what the number is right now. On January the 17th, the first day that this has been shown, the first real day that it's being rolled out, if I'm not mistaken. This is the global bonus pool. And this is for the people that reach managing director. I mean, am I saying that right? Managing director and shareholder director. There are pools in which if you reach this level, every month, this pool is broken down amongst everyone equally in your pool. There's two different pools. There's an SD pool and there's an MD pool. And right now they look about like they're split the global bonus. So what it looks like is the global bonus is it's one big thing. You split the global bonus in half, one for the MDs, one for the SDs is what it's looking like right now because they have the same number. Now, if this happens to change, let's say the senior director pool gets higher than the MD pool, then maybe we'll have to go back in here and seek more information. But here is what I believe the difference is. And here's what I've heard leaders say the difference is. There are going to be more people in the MD pool than there are going to be in the SD pool because the SD pool is the highest level in the company. The MD pool is the second highest level in the company. All right. So with that being said, I went into the leaderboard that they just added. And those of you that have not seen this, I think this is pretty freaking awesome. One thing that I will notice that Nigeria, y'all are in the house. Shout out to Nigeria. Shout out to France. There are 1, 2, 3 United States shareholder directors. And my personal belief, because I love my country probably like you guys love your country. In my own way. You know, I got plenty of reasons not to like it, but I choose to love it anyway. We got to get some more people from the United States on this list right here, shareholder directors. For those of you that like a challenge, accept the challenge. Become a shareholder director in the United States. Let's get ourselves on this list up here with Nigeria and France, Colombia, Puerto Rico, Belgium. All right? And last I checked, there are 21 people on this list. So if I go back to the top and I divide up, the number has changed. It's gone up. So let's see. 91,002 and 61 cents divided by 21 people on that shareholder director pool list. That's going to be $4,333.45 split equally between all the SDs. Now, I want you guys to realize what date it is. This is January 17th of 2022. This is the beginning of the year. Imagine what this pool number is going to be in March, June, September, as this genius bot just continues to win every day. Now, there is a graphic that I have, and I want to show you guys, that kind of better explains, and it comes straight from the company, so why not, right? This is a slide that I screenshotted. I screenshotted this slide, and it pretty much talks about the global bonus, all right? So the global bonus will only apply to the managing director and shareholder director levels, all right? Bonus pools will be updated hourly on the official website. Prizes in the bonus pool will be distributed once a month to the leaders at the MD and SD levels for the current month. For example, if there's $1 million in the SD bonus pool during the month, if there was only 10 people at the SD level, that'd be $100 a person. $100 per SD. All right? And the same goes for the MD pools as well. It'll be split equally. All right? One thing that I did not do is count how many MDs there are, because there are a lot of them. So for those of you, look, I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up, and I won't count them, but we're going to see where the heavy hitters are at, all right? The managing directors, let's do it. We've got Singapore, Ghana, Nigeria, Russia, Colombia, Ecuador, Spain, Belgium, France, Ecuador, Switzerland, United Kingdom. I've said like 10 countries before I have said the United States. Canada, Chile. Guys, this is our first United States name. 2 United States. 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're going 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll stop at 10. But there's India, Latvia, Mexico, Denmark, Somalia, people from all over the world that are participating in this pool. Now that breakdown is a little bit different. Now you got to break this down. You got to break that MD pool down. There's 91. Let's just say there's 50 people on that list. There's probably more than that. But you take 91,000, and that number just changed again, 91,083. It's going up. Like every time I look at it, it's going up. Divided by, let's say there's 50 people on that list. So everybody on that list at the end of the month would get $1,800, $1,821. That's solid. That's a solid little bonus. And the pool is obviously increasing more and more and more and more and more. That doesn't mean more people are getting added to the leadership bonus. The leadership board as fast as the global bonus is going. And I love the world, all right? I got love for the whole world. But boy, if we don't get our act together in the United States and get on some of these lists, listen, come on, y'all. I try to lead by example. That's all I can do. I'm not the best support. That's why I'm so glad that they have this little support ticker down here so y'all can ask them the questions and not me. I don't claim to ever know everything. And we have, and granted, we have some great leaders that I'm specifically working with, and I'm happy to be working with them. So shout out to them. They know who they are. But I'm especially excited. I can't even talk. I'm especially excited about what's going on here at IP Capital. The last thing I want to do before we get out of here is I want to share with you, of course, the closed trades. We're back trading again. The bot is back to work. Let's see what the bot has done this time. So we're scrolling on down to the bottom of the list. Now on the 13th was the last trades before the 16th, which was yesterday. So let's look at what they did on the 13th. A win of $49, a win of $138, and a win of $158. That is solid. And all wins, by the way, up to this point. So let's see now what the trades have done for the 16th. Are we still undefeated in the trading bot? Let's find out. Profit 163, profit of $100, and profit of $50. That is a total profit of over $300, y'all. In a day, in 3 trades, $300 in 3 trades, right there. Now, at the end of the week is when we get paid from all of our trades, and of course, Intelligence Prime takes their 20% off the top, and then our money gets put into our USDT wallet, in which we have the option to go ahead and do an internal transfer and put whatever we have in that account, which I'm doing right now in front of you guys. For those of you that are still watching, I'm going to go ahead and do that. And what I've said I'm going to do is all my referral commissions and things like that throughout the week, because I'm not in need to take it out at this moment. I'm just going to go ahead and put them back in every day that I come in. But when I get my earnings for the week, I'm going to withdraw those, because at the current moment, I don't have to put anything else in to be at the top level of the company. Now, if I ever decide that I want to continue to reverse engineer this platform to make a certain amount of money for me a month or a week or a day or whatever, then I can decide that I want to put more than, 21,000 that I have right now. I know some leaders out there that have over 30,000 because they have decided that they want their income to be in a certain range every week. I believe in that because we have goals in other platforms of several $1,000s a day. So, that's all cool with me. I definitely understand that. And for those of you that are aspiring to get to that place, yes, it takes time. Yes, it takes going against the grain a little bit. Some of you are afraid to share things with others. You want to keep this baby to yourself. But you got to find it in yourself in some type of capacity to share this thing with people while it's here. Because we all know things can be here today and gone tomorrow, whether they're here for a month and a half, 2 weeks, or 5 years. I never thought the mall down the street from my house would ever close down. I thought it'd be Lake Forest forever. Boy, you should see that place now. So I'm not saying anything negative. I'm just saying that all things have to come to an end. What matters is what you do while it's here. That's what matters. It's not what somebody else is doing. It's not who's got referrals over here. Oh, it makes it a whole bunch. It makes it so much easier for you because you do this. No, it's not about that. It's about what you decide to do, all right? And no matter what anybody tries to tell you, what you decide to do with whatever circumstance you have is the most important thing, all right? So with that being said, we've talked about the trading. We've talked about the leadership positions and different stuff like that. Why some of you got demoted. Like myself, I got demoted. I was a regional manager. Now I'm a department manager again. But what I'm seeing is a lot more people take this thing seriously, and they're putting more skin in the game. And in just a couple days, my group sales has gone from around 40,000 to now I'm looking at it and it's 71,000. Just yesterday, it was at 62,000 around. And we haven't even put this video up yet. So, who knows what can happen, but I think people are really starting to take this thing a little serious. One last thing that I will mention, there is a marketing system that is going to be launched for us to use. It will cost a little bit of money per month. I believe you can pay for it a month or in 3-month increments, but it's coming. And when I got more information on that, I believe that's what everyone is going to be best served by when they're talking about PowerPoints and different things to share with others. For now, just find your favorite video on YouTube and share it. Or pull up your specific results. Share your results. Tell people what you're doing. All right? And if, of course, you want to share with them what I'm doing, I share with everyone anyway. So go ahead. You can share my video as well. All right? Any one of you that is new, my link is in the description. If you want to give this opportunity a look for yourself, you can go ahead and do that as well. But you know I don't tell nobody what to do. With that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you. This is one of them. And all your wallets, because crypto is the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. I will see y'all on the next video. This is Intelligence Prime Capital. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell. All right? I will see y'all on the next one. Peace out.